Greetings, Rosy Closy fans and people who accidentally stumbled upon my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to look like Drew. This is how I plan to look like him when I inevitably do, when I hit 10K subscribers or my channel gets monetized. So, I'm noticing a lot of you guys are fans of Drew, so I'd imagine you'd like to become him in real life because the people you idolize are the people you strive to become. So, this is how you become Drew. Step 1, you either got to get a Justin Bieber haircut or a wig. I've never bought a wig before, so I can't tell like what's a low quality one or a high quality one. This one is $45, so it's a little bit on the pricey side, but the reviews are insane, so I'd imagine it's probably the best bang for your buck. Next thing you're going to need is to change the hair color of your Justin Bieber haircut or the wig you purchased. To do so, you're going to need to get some shampoo and purple/pink food coloring. It's only about $12 at Safeway, so not too expensive, but the process to change the hair does seem very tedious, so be ready for that. For the hoodie, this is a hoodie from H&M. It's just a black hoodie. It's on sale a lot of the times, but when I just checked, it wasn't. So try to get this on sale, but go cheap for the hoodie as well. Pants, you need some just long pants that are, I think chinos probably the best fit, but just any long gray pants. For the watch, now here's where we kind of have to extend the budget a bit because I believe Drew is he's kind of tech savvy. He's kind of a little bit geeky, you know, he plays some video games. So he'd probably have an Apple Watch, and he's also rich. So this is where we're going to have to spend some money. You have to get an Apple Watch if you want to look like Drew accurately. And for the shoes, this was the hardest one to find, but this is probably the best match for his shoes. They're quite expensive, so I can understand if you would want to save some money on this step, but for me, I have to look like Drew to the best of my ability, so I'm not gonna cheap out on this one. So the total project cost is quite expensive and something I unfortunately cannot afford right now. So I'm gonna need you guys to help me out. In particular, I need my channel to be monetized so I can list all this stuff as a tax write-off. That is the strategy. Thank you. Have a good day.